Okay, for 958, they want to find the rule and they want to know the slope. So let's find the slope first. So we have 2 points, right? Actually, we have 3 full points. So I'm going to take these 2 points, right? And the slope is the change in y, right? Change in y over the change in x, right? So the change in y is -2 minus 3, right? Or sorry, the change in x. So you're not the only one who makes a mistake every once in a while. Okay, so the change in y is the 4 minus the -11. And the change in x is the -2 minus 3, right? Because I took the two x values and subtracted. The change is the difference, right? So 4 minus -11 is 15, right? That's 4 plus 11. -2 minus 3 is -5. So the slope comes out to be -3. So the slope is -3. There's B, right? We answered B first. And now we know that the equation is y equals mx plus b, right? So the equation is y equals -3x plus b. And we need the rule, so we need b. So we can take any point we want and substitute it in for x and y. So I'll just take one of these points, like -2, 4, right? And I'll substitute it in. So y is 4, -3 times x is -2 plus b, and we'll solve for b. So we get 4 equals 6 plus b, and we subtract 6 from both sides, and we get -2 equals b. So now we know the rule or the equation of the line is y equals mx, so -3x, plus b, which is -2. So there's the rule, y equals -3x minus 2. We do not need this graph to be able to find the rule. As long as we have 2 points, we're good to go.